Hello, this is Nikas from Tech Basics. Today we are going to learn how to delete your Tinder account. So let's dive into it. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to the internet. Then open Tinder application on your device. After that, at the very right corner, you can see the profile icon. Click on that and find the settings icon, which is at top right corner. Click on it. Scroll to the very bottom where you can see the option named Delete Account. Click on it. Then you will get two options saying pause my account and delete my account. Click on delete my account. After that, you can choose a reason on why are you leaving or deleting your Tinder account. You can choose your own reason and now click on delete my account. You will be automatically redirected to the login page. Also be noted that your account will only be deleted after next 90 days. If you log in within these 90 days, your account will not be deleted. So that is how you can delete your Tinder account. If this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have any queries, feel free to comment down below. Thank you.